Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello, pho lovers. Today, we're diving into making delicious pho using a convenient soup base. First, char one large onion and a 3-inch piece of ginger to infuse that essential smoky flavor into your broth. Next, combine 8 cups of your chosen broth with 5-star anise and 3 cinnamon sticks. Let this aromatic mixture simmer gently for about 30 minutes, adding 4 cloves and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Finally, enhance the flavor with 2 teaspoons of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now let's get our noodles and protein ready. You'll want to cook about 7 ounces of thin rice noodles separately in boiling water until they are tender yet still have a slight chew, which usually takes 5 to 7 minutes. After cooking, rinse them thoroughly with cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent them from clumping. For your protein, thinly slice 8 ounces of raw steak, like sirloin or flank, as it will cook quickly in the hot broth. You can also opt for pre-cooked, thinly sliced chicken or pork. With your broth simmering and ingredients prepped, it's time to assemble your perfect pho bowl. Start by placing a generous handful of the cooked rice noodles into each large serving bowl. Next, artfully arrange your thinly sliced raw beef or other cooked protein directly on top of the noodles. Then, carefully ladle the piping hot broth over everything. The heat will gently cook the raw meat to perfection. Finish by adding a handful of fresh bean sprouts, cilantro, and chopped green onions. The best part about pho is customizing it to your taste. Offer a selection of fresh herbs like fragrant Thai basil, refreshing mint, and distinctive cilantro for an aromatic boost. Don't forget lime wedges. A squeeze of fresh lime juice adds a wonderful tangy brightness. For those who enjoy a kick, provide thinly sliced chilies such as jalapenos or serranos. Finally, serve hoisin and sriracha sauces on the side, allowing everyone to personalize their bowl with a touch of sweetness or spice.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.